Welcome back. We are now going to take a look at the social media app Twitter. And when we first search for Twitter and then select it, you'll notice that there are applications. So we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom first, and you're going to notice that there are 8 different triggers. And that means that there are going to be a number of different ways that we can use Twitter to automate processes. We also have actions, where an activity on one application will mean that we can do something on Twitter as a result of it. So one of the best ways to explore Twitter is to look at any application that you're using publicly to find out if there's a relationship between Twitter and that application using Zapier. For example, just a random search will yield the fact that we can share any MailChimp campaigns on Twitter. Because there are a number of social posting applications that will direct activity toward Twitter, we want to focus on those activities where Twitter is the actual trigger. And you'll notice here that there is one trigger that we can use, copying tweets across multiple accounts. And what we're going to do then is use this Zap. And Zapier will tell you the reason for using this particular Zap. If you're managing multiple accounts, rather than tweeting the same thing repeatedly, we can use an automation and have it tweeted across all of our accounts. What we're going to do is we're going to create this Zap. And so the trigger is going to be that someone will start with a tweet. We'll then need to connect the first account. We'll grant Zapier access to our account, and then we'll need to authorize Zapier to use it. So we're now connected to Twitter. If we needed to, we could connect a different account, and we can do that by clicking this button. We're going to go ahead and test. Once Zapier gives us the go-ahead, we're going to click Save and Continue. We're then going to write in the username, and then we'll click Continue. We'll confirm that this has been successful, and then we'll click Continue. We'll now create the action for the second account. And to do that, we're going to need to connect a different Twitter account. Once we've connected that second account, we'll click Save and Continue. Once we do that, we'll then click Continue. Once we verify that the message is good to send, we'll then send the test to Twitter. We should then have a test tweet, and we'll then click Finish. And then our Zap is officially turned on. We can then verify that the tweet is done in the new account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.